to Android Java development with Android Studio by Android Dev. This is Khanzada and today we are going to make a new project. This is the third tutorial of Android programming development. So in the previous tutorials we installed and explored Android Studio, its menus, subdirectories and hierarchies, etc. And before we go and make a new project in Android Studio, I would request to those who just joined us or who are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell button and share these videos to other people, other groups and friends, so those others can also get an opportunity to learn this thing in a very easy manner. Alright, so proceeding to make a new project, I have Android Studio already open. I will just click on start a new Android project, and here is the application name, which is the name of your application. For now I can write it as test app. Next is the company domain. Well, this thing is the part of your project package name. For now just leave it as it. You will have idea of this thing in future tutorials. Here is the location of our test. I already have a test app, so it by default incremented to the 2 second, meaning that it's is the copy of test app that with name test app 2. Next is the full package name, that is com.khanzadakhan.testapp. You can see this part is the company domain and the last part is the name of application. Next, these two check boxes, leave them for now and press the next button. Here we have to select one of the 5 target devices, so we are going to target a phone and tablets, and we will select the minimum SDK, that is here API 14 corresponding to Android 4.0 ice cream sandwich. This is the minimum SDK. Press next. Here is the gallery of different layouts, different front end activities. For now we will just select the empty activity and press next. Okay, this is the activity name, that is Java class. By default it is main activity, but we can edit this name. And also Android Studio will generate a layout file for this activity with name activity main XML file. See, here is this box is checked, so it will generate XML file with name activity main, and by default this Java class and activity are connected. Alright, so by clicking finish, Android Studio will create a new project for us. Alright, so we have created our first project in Android Studio with the name test app, and here is the location. We can see that here a Gradle build is running already, so never try to stop this when it is already running, because it is actually building our project. Alright, so this is activity main.xml, the layout file where we will be designing our application front end, and here is the main activity Java class, which is connected with this XML file, and anything on this in this XML file, and by anything I mean text views, widgets, component, etc. All will be connected with this main activity by reference or to their IDs, or with reference to their IDs. So boom, we have created our first Android project, and that's all for now. So see you next time. Bye.